All right, mi gente, yo, it's the Hvac Papi. You know about tools, baby, because if you know about tools, I love tools. Tools is the shit. Shit, especially when you're in the HVAC industry, you need the proper tools, the right tools. So I let my man John tell you, he's going to tell you everything about, all about Fieldpiece, baby. Tell everybody out there what about what is Fieldpiece?
Everybody tell everybody about?
Well, somebody knows somebody that knows somebody.
It's good timing. We're celebrating the 35th anniversary of the owner of Fieldpiece building the stick meter in his garage. So, family-owned company, family-operated, still is. But now, look at everything that we have to offer. So we went from a small business to a global powerhouse. So, some of the biggest things we're known for, right? Our recovery unit, our vacuum pump, our manifold, but it's our software, our JobLink app, our wireless tools. 1,000 feet range, line of sight. So even if you're going through walls, you're still getting several hundred feet, right? You can connect all the wireless tools.
Show them, baby. Show them. Show what you got. Show them the
JobLink app. Now you get a dated, time-stamped report to prove that your static pressures are good, to prove that you pulled your vacuum down to 500 microns, right? You can prove to your service manager that you installed the unit correctly. You can prove to the manufacturer that
we definitely, that's exactly one here, because I definitely know that guys be thinking around. So listen, this is the way you gotta tell them. No, you gotta tell the truth. This is what it is. They be thinking around. So now you gotta listen, Bobby. Show me the report. That's it. Show me the report. Show me the numbers.
Black and white. It's in black and white. There's no more fudging numbers. You can send it in a text, an email, print a copy of it, have a copy for yourself, show your customer, build that trust with the customer as well.
Exactly.
Okay, so the software, the wireless tools, it's our top of the line. We've been doing it for a long time.
35 years, you said, right?
5 years.
35 years, guys. Woo-wee. That's a low marriage if you ask me. But hey, listen, they're doing something right, because these are good, like the guns. This is like Christmas for an HVAC technician, and especially for like a new guy, a trainee. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely Christmas time right now, if you ask me.
Absolutely. Here's your Christmas catalog right here. Get your shopping done early.
That's right. Ask Santa Claus, you want everything on that list.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there anything special that you gotta make sure you guys unique? I mean, for me, I love the color yellow. The yellow, I think, stands out. It's cool. Is there anything else you want to tell everybody that they don't know about?
Yeah, I mean, basically, besides the fact that we've been doing this a long time, it's the craftsmanship of the tools. It's the thought that goes into developing the tools.
Right.
We don't release a bunch of items every year, a bunch of new items every year.
Gotcha.
We try to perfect what we already have that you guys already know and love, and just keep that relationship going with the contractor.
Exactly.
So that's what makes us special.
You heard it, guys. You heard it from the man himself. Listen, we're over here at that booth at the Fieldpiece loose. And let me tell you, I have these tools. I own a few of these tools. I mean, I have a vacuum pump. I don't got this model, but I got the older model.
Gotta get the new one with the easy oil change.
You're right. So basically, he just sold me.
Put a little bit in the hair, you know what I mean?
It's like gel.
Exactly.
It's like gel. Woo, wait. You're right about that.
Listening.
But guys, listen. You listen to the man John right here. You want to be glistening? You want to be glistening with the right tools. Fieldpiece is the only way. Everybody knows me as the Wepa man. The count of three, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa! No, because you gotta do it or something. You gotta grab your balls and say, yeah, Wepa! 1, 2, 3, Wepa! Thanks, Bob. I appreciate you.
Thank you, bro.
I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody. You guys, come on down. You're missing out. If you're not here at Fieldpiece, where are you? Wepa!
Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York boiler and AC repair.
Wepa!